Traveling with a baby requires convenience and comfort. In this guide, we highlight the best travel stroller for newborn, combining safety, portability, and ease of use. Discover compact, lightweight designs perfect for smooth journeys and stress-free outings with your little one. Taking the first spot on our list is the KOOLABABY Newborn Stroller, a travel-friendly stroller designed to make every outing effortless and enjoyable for both parents and babies. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and soft gray polyester fabric, this stroller is ideal for children aged 6 months to 36 months, providing a safe and comfortable ride from newborn stages to toddler years. One of its most impressive features is the one-hand fold mechanism, which allows parents to collapse the stroller quickly and easily, even when their hands are full. This makes it perfect for navigating airports, public transportation, or simply storing the stroller at home without taking up much space. The KOOLABABY stroller also offers multiple reclining positions, allowing your little one to sit up and observe their surroundings or lay back for a restful nap. Designed for convenience and portability, the compact size of this stroller ensures it fits effortlessly into plain overhead compartments, car trunks, or tight storage areas at home. Once folded, it comes with a convenient carry handle, making it easy to transport with one hand while keeping the other free for your baby, diaper bags, or other essentials. Families who enjoy traveling will appreciate how simple it is to move this stroller from one location to another without any hassle. Additionally, the extendable sun canopy provides ample protection from harmful UV rays, keeping your baby cool and comfortable during sunny walks or outdoor adventures. Beyond portability, the KOOLABABY stroller is designed for everyday usability. Its durable aluminum frame offers stability, while the soft, cushioned fabric ensures your baby stays cozy throughout the journey. Parents will find the stroller easy to maneuver thanks to its lightweight design and smooth gliding wheels. Taking the second spot is the Momcozy newborn stroller, a stylish and practical option designed for newborns and toddlers up to 3 years old. Crafted from a durable aluminum frame and soft black polyester fabric, this stroller offers both strength and comfort, making it perfect for parents seeking a reliable travel solution. One of its most impressive features is the one-hand, one-step fold and unfold mechanism. By simply clicking the button on the handlebar, the stroller folds itself and stands on its own, while a quick pull opens it smoothly, allowing parents to master the process in seconds. This convenient design is especially useful for those who are constantly juggling a baby, diaper bags, or other essentials. Designed with travel in mind, the Momcozy stroller has a compact fold measuring just 20.1 by 8.5 by 21.5 inches, making it small enough to fit in a car trunk or even an airplane overhead bin, though checking airline requirements is recommended. Comfort is a top priority with this stroller, featuring 360-degree swiveling front wheels for smooth steering, all-wheel suspension to absorb shocks on bumpy surfaces, an extendable UPF 50+ canopy with a vented peekaboo window, adjustable recline and leg rest, and a secure 5-point harness. These features combine to create a cozy and safe environment for your baby, whether on a quick stroll around the neighborhood or a longer travel adventure. Weighing only 19.6 pounds, the Momcozy newborn stroller is easy to carry and transport. It can be carried one-handed using the bumper bar or with the included travel bag for shoulder carrying, making navigation through stairs, public transportation, and crowded areas effortless. Next on our list is the MAMAZING newborn stroller, a lightweight and highly portable option designed for babies aged 6 months up to 50 pounds with a maximum height of 39.4 inches. Constructed from a durable carbon fiber frame and soft polyester, faux leather, and cotton materials, this stroller combines exceptional strength with lightweight convenience, weighing only 11.6 pounds. Its compact design allows it to fold effortlessly, making it ideal for families who are always on the move. Whether storing it in a car trunk or an airplane overhead bin, this stroller's compact and travel-friendly nature ensures that it does not become a burden during any outing. The MAMAZING stroller features a user-friendly fold and unfold system, allowing parents to transition from strolling to storing in just seconds. This seamless process eliminates the frustration of complicated mechanisms, giving parents more time to focus on enjoying moments with their little ones. Comfort and sun protection are also priorities with this stroller. The adjustable UPF 50+ canopy provides ample shade and shields babies from harmful sun rays, creating a cool and comfortable environment for outdoor adventures. Parents can easily reposition the canopy to suit different sun angles, ensuring their child is always protected and relaxed. Ample storage space is another significant feature of the MAMAZING and newborn stroller. The spacious underseat basket can accommodate diaper bags, toys, snacks, and other essentials, keeping everything within reach while freeing parents' hands for easier navigation. At number 4, we have the Mompush newborn stroller, a lightweight and travel-ready option designed for babies from newborn up to 36 months. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame and soft polyester fabric, this stroller combines durability with comfort, weighing only 17 pounds. Its compact and airplane-friendly design meets most airline cabin requirements and fits easily into overhead bins, making it an excellent choice for families who love to travel. The stroller also comes with a custom travel bag for added protection during flights or check-in, ensuring it stays safe and clean throughout your journey. The Mompush stroller features a 1-second, one-hand fold mechanism, allowing parents to collapse the stroller effortlessly, even when traveling alone. A ventilated peekaboo window provides extra airflow while enabling parents to keep an eye on their baby at all times, ensuring both comfort and safety during strolls. Comfort is further enhanced with a multi-position recline system, offering 3 adjustable positions that can be precisely controlled with one hand. This includes a near-flat 175-degree recline, perfect for newborns and toddlers, and an adjustable footrest that ensures maximum relaxation during travel or everyday use. In addition, the Mompush newborn stroller is equipped with all-weather protection, including an extendable UPF 50+ sun canopy, rain cover, and retractable foot cover that folds neatly under the footrest. These features shield your baby from sun, rain, wind, and cold, allowing naps outdoors in any season without worry. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Gromast newborn stroller, a versatile and travel-friendly option designed for babies from newborn up to 3 years old. Constructed with a lightweight aluminum frame and durable polyester fabric, this stroller combines strength, portability, and comfort. One of its most convenient features is the self-standing auto-fold design. With a simple press of the folding button, the stroller folds effortlessly by gravity and stands upright on its own, allowing parents to lift it without bending over. This thoughtful feature makes it easy to store in a car trunk, closet, or under furniture, providing practical convenience for everyday use and travel. Weighing only 16 pounds, the Gromast stroller is highly portable and suitable for a mobile lifestyle. It can be carried on the shoulder, folded into compact spaces, and easily taken on flights, making it ideal for daily outings, shopping trips, and family vacations. Comfort is a top priority with the extra-wide, well-padded seat that allows your child to move freely. The adjustable seat inclination, paired with a movable footrest, ensures your little one stays comfortable whether they are sitting up to observe the surroundings or lying back for a nap. Safety is guaranteed with a secure 5-point harness and a strong metal buckle, giving parents peace of mind during every stroll. The Gromast stroller also comes with a versatile zip-out UPF 50+ canopy with 4 adjustable positions, offering optimal sun protection and airflow. A convenient peekaboo window allows for closer monitoring while maintaining comfort and ventilation.